Hey everybody, I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a closer look at this reproduction coin tray from 5.0Resto designed for the 1979 to 1986 Fox body Mustangs. This coin tray from 5.0Resto will obviously appeal to the 4-eye fox owner out there in need of replacing a missing or damaged coin tray. 5.0Resto's coin tray is molded from black plastic and incorporates the correct grain and texture so that it matches the rest of the center console. Because it's molded using original Ford tooling, all of the factory mounting clips and provisions are accurately placed on the coin tray to ensure a factory-like fit and finish. The rubber e-brake seal and plastic retainer are pre-installed for those of you that may have black interior, but the small metal retainers can easily be removed or the rubber seal can be masked off for any of you that are going to need to paint this coin tray to match your interior. Simple paint prep involves a light scuff with a non-abrasive scuff pad, a quick wash with Dawn dish soap and warm water, a wipe down with isopropyl alcohol, and then apply 1 or 2 coats of a plastic safe primer. That way it will provide a lighter undertone before you spray the primary color. Whenever you do spray the primary color, be sure and make moderately slow passes while keeping the nozzle approximately 10 inches from the coin tray. If you plan on painting both sides of the tray, be sure and paint the underside first, as this is referred to as cutting in the part. After the coin tray is painted, allow adequate time to dry before handling and installing the coin tray into the car. Fitment-wise, 5.0Resto's replacement coin tray is designed for 1979 to 1986 Fox Mustangs. For this video, I'll be installing a 5.0Resto coin tray into our 1983 GT. To remove the existing coin tray, open the armrest pad and remove the 2 retaining screws. Pull up on the e-brake handle as high as it will go. Dislodge the center clips and move the coin tray towards the rear of the car to free the front locating tabs. Now you can pass the coin tray over the e-brake handle and remove it from the car. If you're like me, use this opportunity to thoroughly clean this area. A vacuum and compressed air will dislodge and remove the bulk of the dirt and debris. I usually follow that with a non-abrasive scuff pad and an all-purpose cleaner. Wipe up the residue with a microfiber towel. Pass the new coin tray over the e-brake handle. Install the frontward tabs and then fully seat the center clips. Align the holes at the top and carefully reinstall and retighten the Phillips head screws. Close the armrest pad and then disengage the e-brake handle. After that, you're good to go. Now, if you're a regular viewer of the LMR YouTube channel, then you know I'm a huge fan of easy restoration parts. This coin tray went right into place and it even matched the old interior quite well. Of course, keep in mind, depending on the age and the condition of your interior, color match is not always a guarantee. For the most current product information, pricing, and availability on anything you saw in the video, be sure and reference LMR.com. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.